We'll play with both. Whichever one we score with is the good one.
Done.
We get both of them, 2 goals. Can you guys do that 2-goal drill?
Man on, man on. Back push. Good idea, good idea. Hey, way to drop, Thomas. Jimmy, 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 Jimmy.
Double! Double!
Great body game.
Yeah, beat his ass. Oh, come on.
Hey, good idea, good idea. Wait, Thomas, Thomas.
Hey, you're the next set of subs by the goalies.
Come in, Frankie. Yeah.
Don't let him have a blast.
Oh! Let him play!
Come on, Dave. Really? Really, Dave? Really, Dave? Really? Wow. Look what he's doing now. Look what Levin's doing now.
Let's go!
Literally, they took the same swim.
Call it both ways, Josh.
Hey, Wells, you ain't gonna be able to change anything you done. Wells, you ain't gonna be able to change Hey, quick, quick, quick!
Go, go!
Yeah.
Hey!
You got one on, Frankie?
Yeah, we need a sub,
You're kidding, right? You're kidding, right? You're kidding, right? You're kidding, right?
Now, Dave!
You're kidding, right?
Dave, come on!
Wait, hold on, buddy. We'll keep that not eating.
Come on.
Drop!
Yeah. Yes.
Go, Devin! Go, Devin!
Jesse, come on, buddy! Dig a little deeper! Yes, buddy! Frankie, go! Devin, tighter! Devin, you gotta find him. Pressure in there, man down right now. You're gonna want the game.
Frankie's walking.
Frankie, stay this man. Stay going.
Frankie, close.
Go!
Frankie, stay, Frankie.
Go! Work! Hey!
White, everywhere, White. You gotta put it everywhere.
Throw it out! Hold on!
Yeah, Eve, he's yours.
What'd you say?
Eve, go!
not trying to get out.
Move the ball, Wyatt. Who wants the ball? Who wants the ball? Come on. Stay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Get the ball, get the ball. D, straight up. D, higher.
Whoever got the foul, you got to take it. Let's walk. We need it. Oh, you're getting back. You're the first one to do that. No, he's got to be in the back.
Try not to get caught up. Try not to get caught up in that confidence.
You smashed him into the wall.
There we go. Now they got to guard you. Now they got to mark you.
Marcus, come on, baby, come on.
We need you to finish, buddy. We need to finish. We need to finish, boys. Come on. Patience, guys. Patience.
You're not that much time, guys.
They do it in practice a lot. It works. Usually squad. Yeah.
Go. 15 seconds. Give us a shot. Give us a quality shot. Get there, somebody, come on! Mitch! Stop!
Get back! Come on, guys, get back!
Good job. Go.
Get it, Tris, get it, Tris. Get it, come on.
Pressure! Let's go, Bryce!
That's a foul. No way.
Oh my God, Tristan!
Get in there.
Tristan, simple, Tristan, simple.
Hurry up!
Hey, watch your deep.
Bryce in! In, Bryce! Good numbers.
Right.
Robert.
Why is he throwing the ball?
Inside 5 minutes, about 2 minutes.
That's what they're telling
No,
me.
it's
2
not.
minutes.
5. It's inside 5.
You got it.
Clock stops inside 5.
The clock doesn't stop. I stopped because he was hurt.
I know, but he thinks it's inside 2 minutes. It's inside 5.
That's not tournament. Do it. That's fine. Go inside 5. That's all you have to be worried about. You're doing good.
It's inside 5 minutes.
So we're inside
Of course not. That would be too easy.
We're doing 2 minutes.
Turn!
Well, it's your call.
It normally always is.
Yeah, buddy.
It's
Go! Tristan, out!
Nice for everything. Come on. And you don't?
We're going to be into the last 2.
Let's just do the last 5.
Yeah, that's fine.
Take care of it. Take care of it.
Oh, did you get that? You probably got that.
Yeah, I did.
I say that with all.
Get it, Tris. Get the ball back. Get there. Get there. God damn it, guys. Are you serious?
Who just got up?
Not right now. Hold on. Close it. Don't die. Marcus, get back, Marcus. Frank. Pressure the ball. Pressure the ball. Pressure the ball.
Marcus, the door! Marcus!
Dave, it's 5 minutes. You looked it up.
It's what?
It's a 5 minutes.
No, Allen.
Hold the clock.
We call time.
We got a misconduct, delaying the play on misconduct boring on these gentlemen. For the restart.
Hey, sister.
New ball.
Joy, stay high, Joy. You gotta stretch with it. Good.
Unless we just go off some sense to that. Till we leave tonight.
Thomas, run over it. Marcus. Let it to Thomas, Marcus.
Let's go, Red!
Hey, 1-2. Nice, get him, Marcus.
Marcus. Don't stop playing,
Shoot, I'll shoot.
Don't get counter, don't get counter, don't get counter. Marcus!
Pressure out, pressure out, pressure out.
Tight.